Today, we're going to talk about money transmitter licenses and money services businesses. If your product accepts value from one person and moves it to another person or location, you may be a money transmitter. That status triggers federal money services business registration and, in most cases, a money transmitter license. First, let's talk about the federal framework. At the federal level, FinCEN administers the Bank Secrecy Act. A money transmitter is any person providing money transmission services defined as accepting currency, funds, or other value that substitutes for currency and transmitting it by any means. Banks and firms already registered and regulated by the SEC or the CFTC are excluded from that requirement. Number two, money services businesses need to register with FinCEN on Form 107 within 180 days of starting up. They have to renew every 24 months and maintain an agent list that is updated annually. Civil penalties can run $5,000 per violation, and also criminal exposure can exist for failing to register, so it's not worth guessing on. If you think you might be a money transmitter, important to engage counsel to take a look. OFAC sanction rules also apply to money transmitters, and consumer issues can involve the FTC or the CFPB. Criminal liability for unlicensed money transmitting is addressed in 18 USC 1960. Now, the state side of things. Federal registration isn't a state license, and nearly every state requires its own money transmitter license with surety bonds and background checks, fingerprints, financial statements, and minimum net worth. To reduce duplication, many states use the CSBS, which is the Multi-State MSB Licensing Agreement. It doesn't replace licenses individually, but it does allow states to rely on a lead review for common elements, and it speeds things up. Okay, let's talk about crypto. If you exchange and transmit convertible virtual currency, FinCEN treats you as a money transmitter based on existing rules. Registration, AML program, record keeping, reporting, all of that apply. The definition covers value that substitutes for currency, and it doesn't require the same form of value in and out. Let's talk about decentralization and crypto. Decentralization has the potential to complicate money transmitter regulatory theory because it removes the identifiable middleman in many cases. In systems like Uniswap, users transact directly through decentralized smart contracts without a company accepting or sending funds on their behalf. And since the law defines money transmission as accepting and transmitting value for another person, it's unclear who, if anyone, is the transmitter. The result is a kind of legal gray area where traditional rules designed for intermediaries don't really apply to autonomous code-based protocol. So it's an issue that certainly requires a little bit more thought. It's absolutely not a home run one way or the other. Whether money transmission laws apply, absolutely critical to seek experienced legal counsel in that area. In terms of a practical checklist, I would begin by mapping your business model and fund flows against the federal definition of money transmission to determine whether your activities fall within scope. If they do, register with FinCEN and within the required time frame, maintain accurate, up-to-date records, including any mandated agent lists, evaluate state licensing obligations, pursue licenses in each jurisdiction where required, or leverage the multi-state coordination programs where available. And finally, implement and maintain a comprehensive BSA AML compliance program, including written policies, internal controls, reporting procedures. If your business also involves digital assets or emerging payment technologies, take additional care to assess how those activities fit within both federal and state money transmission frameworks, because this area is changing fast. My name is Braeden Anderson. Thank you for watching. I'm a partner at Gesmer Updegrove. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button down below, and I'll talk to you soon.